Hi there, I'm Josh from Fine & Country of Bideford, and behind me is High Park House here in Littleham. This property is a detached 7-bedroom home and it is currently used as a highly successful holiday let. And the property itself does feature inside up to 6,500 square foot, and it does come with additional cottages that you'll see a little bit later on. But enough of the outside, let's take a quick look inside and around the home. Internally here at High Park House features a lovely selection of character, but also with the striking grand staircase, exposed wooden floors, but also tiled as well in areas. The property does include 2 large sitting rooms, a large family breakfast room, as well as a separate dining room, but plenty more still to be explored throughout the home. Enjoying a selection of bedrooms, this here being the principal suite, featuring a walk-through dressing room, an ensuite bathroom, and also featuring some lovely views overlooking the front of the property and gardens as well.
Hi, I'm Alice from Fine & Country, and as well as High Park House, there are also 6 additional holiday cottages ranging from 1 to 3 bedrooms, which have a communal swimming pool made of stone and has overflow, as well as a 6-man hot tub, which looks out onto beautiful enclosed gardens that would be perfect for al fresco dining or barbecues. Let's have a look. Thank you for looking around High Park House and Barns. There's still plenty more to explore, so call us today on 01237 426 018.